This is a Czechoslovakian VZ-24 rifle. It's not supposed to be this white. It's supposed to look like this. This cool black color is from a chemical process called bluing. The bands were blued. This weird middle band too. Even these cool, unique front sights. So why not get rid of the non-blued one and just keep the blued one? Well, here's the crest of the blued. Come on, look at this. I'm keeping it.